Hi guys, my name is Leah. Today I put a few stuff, right? A few stuff in. So this I got this nails. I actually like this nails. It's Christmas, but actually not. But I'm gonna wait. I'm not gonna wait today. But I'm just gonna leave it over there. Then I bought those tissues, which I did already use some, and it smells like you can eat it. So yeah. Then I got this one face mask for me and my brother. So he picked this one. Then I got the back. Black. And then we got. Actually, guys, the black one is most of a nicer one because it peels all your skin off and you get burns. This one also peels your skin off, but I actually like this one. I should get it for me. Then I got this Team Bride attitude. Wait, guys. Oh, sorry, guys. Team Bride. So yeah. Yeah, I can't decide to sleep with it. So we're gonna go to bed. So we're just gonna close it up. Guys, I can't see, but I can see. Looks so nice, guys. I got it in those packets, and that was like 9 rand for this. Gonna leave it just like that. We're gonna open it from here. We get this with the guys. That's gonna. This is the best saving thing. So we got extra. Then we got extra, which is this one. So you got these, which you also have. You can pick. Actually, I think it's better to pick these ones. So I don't know. Let's look at the second video. But lucky. So we're gonna see if it fits. Oh, amazing. Yo. It's not even my size. Look like a